Hey everyone, Morgan here. So we're looking at page 10 of the Unit 1 outline for honors, dealing with problem solving. Now, this is a technique that you should be familiar with before you arrive in the class, but I think it's a good idea to go and give it a little review just in case. Something called the factor label method. And we're going to use it to look at some metric conversions. So, our question is, how many grams of vitamin C are in a 1500 milligram tablet? So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the number that we're given. 1500 milligrams. And then we're going to put next to it a conversion factor or a fraction. Okay, with the unit we want to cancel on the bottom and the unit we want to get on the top. So milligrams are going to go on the bottom, grams will be on the top. Then I need to know how many milligrams are in a gram or how many grams in a milligram. 1 gram has 1,000 milligrams. And when I do that, milligrams cancels. 1,500 times 1 divided by 1,000 gives me 1.5 grams. And that is your pretty classic metric conversion. Now, in this case, I want to point out that we only had one prefix involved, milligram. Sometimes we will have questions that have two prefixes involved, which will require 2 steps. So, Sparky the Wonder Dog has a mass of 0.629 kilograms. What is Sparky's mass in centigrams? So I've got kilogram and I've got centigram. I've got 2 units here. Okay. 0.629 kilograms times and times. I'm going to convert this back to the base unit, which is grams. So I want to get grams, kilograms on the bottom so that it cancels. There are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. Kilograms cancels. Now I want to get rid of grams and get it into centigrams. And 1 gram has 100 centigrams. And I can look these up. Grams cancels grams. Okay. So this comes out to be 62,900 centigrams. Okay. All right. So now, let's look at 1 in nanometers, okay? Nanometers is a very popular unit, okay, when dealing with light. So I have 7.0 times 10 to the negative 7th meters times. I want meters to cancel. I want to get to nanometers. There are 10 to the 9th nanometers in 1 meter. Meter cancels meters. I'm multiplying these together. Okay, and that comes out to be 700 nanometers. Or I might say it as 7.0 times 10 to the 2nd nanometers. Either way, it works out well. Okay? Sometimes our units will be squared or cubed. I have 325,000 centimeters squared. What's that in square meters? Well, 325,000 centimeter times centimeter. What I'm going to do is say that there is 1 meter in 100 centimeters. And I can do the same thing again, 1 meter in 100 centimeters. That centimeter cancels that centimeter, and that centimeter cancels that centimeter. So I'm dividing this by 100, and then divide by 100 again, and that equals 32.5 meters squared. Now if the unit is cubed, I will just do the conversion 3 times. So 480,000 centimeter times centimeter times centimeter. That's centimeter cubed. times 1 meter has 100 centimeters times 1 meter has 100 centimeters, and 1 meter has 100 centimeters. So this centimeter cancels that centimeter cancels that centimeter, and that centimeter cancels that centimeter. So I'm now left in something in meters cubed. And when I run that through my calculator or do it in my head, I get 0.048 meters cubed. Okay, so we'll give you a little bit of practice on this, okay? But I think most of you, rather than doing metric conversions anymore, will just plug them into some online converter. Let your phone do it for you. Okay, thanks for tuning in. This is Morgan signing off.